Or what's going on YouTube? So today's video we have the 3-in-1 desk charger here, 25 watts of power, able to charge 3 devices, desktop style. So you have Magsafe capability here. It's travel friendly. So we're gonna take a look at this, see what it's all about. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in this. It also has a convenient way to use power, which let me show you. I just dropped it. Drop test. So that's pretty much everything you get. This is just filler cardboard because everything you have and need is right here. So you have a convenient cable. I have this also in my car. I love this style. I've always wanted to see this technology. It's so simple, but it's super, super helpful. So I hope more companies are going to start to do this a lot more. Super convenient to, you know, just tug away. And you can see here we have the Apple Watch charger here on the bottom. Really nice. So you could charge your phone just like this. You can charge your Apple Watch like that. You could just keep it on like this flat, or you can go ahead and tilt it at an angle. And you also reveal another wireless charging pad with AirPods that can be charged there. 3 indicator lights which show each individual status of what's charging. So you have the phone as the first indicator, the AirPods as the second indicator, and the watch on the third indicator. A good way to look at this if you don't want to look at the little icons is from left to right. So left, first indicator, second indicator, third indicator. Phone output 15 watts max, earbuds 3 watts max, and watch 2.5 watts max. So it's not fast charging when it comes to the Apple Watch, but it's nice and convenient, and that's the purpose of this device. It also does have Magsafe here as well, so like I showed you before. So really nice, super compact, very strong magnets as well. Like it's only gonna be moving this part up and down, but it's really strong magnets. See, took a while. It has no issues when it comes to overheating. It is decent charging, obviously regular wireless charging. It's not Qi 2 wireless charging, but definitely gets the job done. I love the fact that it is MagSafe. That way you're able to snap on not just your iPhone, but your other MagSafe accessories such as your AirPods. That way you can have this as a docking station for your AirPods. That way you don't lose them. And it'll also always be charged. I love that feature. I love that you're able to also charge multiple at the same time. So I don't have an Apple Watch right now, but you can also charge an Apple Watch right there as well. It's all slow charging, but it's more of a convenient factor. If you do want to charge quickly, just use a cable and you'll be good. You could actually switch between horizontal and vertical since it could move around. The magnet is super strong, and even when it is in horizontal mode, it'll go to that alarm clock feature if you have it set up. It has rubber feet, so it won't move on the bottom, and everything just works seamlessly. The one thing that doesn't make sense is that it does have a little groove here on the back. I don't know if you can see it. It looks like they were planning to put a USB-C port right there, but they didn't end up doing that, which they should have included that just in case this cable were to break, or if you need a longer cable. The cable length, it looks like a tape measure, but the cable length is a standard 5 to 6 feet. So if you're okay with that, then that's exactly what this would be. Then you have the option to add it there. But they didn't go that route, which kind of sucks. So hopefully in the future, when they revamp this version and upgrade it in the future, they'll add a USB-C port option, and it'll also be Qi 2 wireless charging, so it's faster for all of them, for the Apple Watch, for the AirPods, and the iPhone. Overall, should you get this? Honestly, I really do like it. I love the convenience factor. I love that it's super small and compact. It could get smaller over time for sure. Like it could be just circle or however they want to do it, but they could definitely make it slightly smaller. I know there are other brands like Anker, which did a really good job when it came to their puck design, and I really like that design, so we'll see. But overall, for 30 bucks, you can't beat it. It's so convenient and very helpful for anybody that has an iPhone. Even if you don't have an iPhone, this is just a wireless charging pad, and this is just a wireless charging pad with MagSafe. So you can always get the ESR magnetic O-ring things, and you can always use it on your Android phone as well as any earbuds that charge wirelessly. I have no complaints. It's a very quick review because it's a very simple product. I didn't want to make a huge deal out of it, but if you want to check it out for more travel accessories, this is the one to go for.